Good morning. Myself Niyati Dhaduk. Subject is biostat. My today's topic is explain the distinction between mean, median and mode. Introduction. The mean, median and mode are all measures of central tendency in statistics. They describe different ways to represent the center, zero or R value, typical value of set of data. Here's a breakdown of each. Let's see. First is mean. Mean means average. Definition: the sum of all the values divided by the number of values, that called means. Formula: means is equal to sum of values upon number of values. Data, data is example, data is 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. We can find mean like 2, 4, 2 plus 4, 4 plus 6, 6 plus 8 and 8 plus 10. If 5 value, so divide by 5 is equal to 6. Useful when data is evenly distributed without outliers. Sensitivity of outlines, large or small value can skew the mean. Second example, mean is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We can 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 divided by 5 is equal to 15 upon 5 is equal to 3. Mean is 3. Second one is median. Definition: the middle value when the data is ordered. In data, which one is middle value, that called is median. If the number of values is odd, the middle one, if even the average of the two middle values. Like example, let can see data 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. In median, 2 this side to this side. So 6 is middle value. Second one, data 2, 4, 6, 8. 4, only 4. So we can between 2, like 4 plus 6 divided by 2 is equal to 5. Our median is 5. Useful when you want to avoid the effect of outliers. Does not consider all values, just their order. 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 9. In median is 6. 3 this side, 3 this side. In second one, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. 3 this side, 3 this side and 2 is between. We can find median. 5 plus 6 is divided by 2. 5.5. Median is the middle number in a sorted list of numbers. Third one is mode. Mode is the value of that appear most frequently. The data set can have no mode, one mode or multiple modes. Like example 2, 4, 4, 6, 8. We can utilize mode. Mode is 4, appears white because of 4 is twice time coming. Useful when identifying the most common or popular item. May not exist or may not be unique. Example of mode. List 1 is 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. If 2 is 3 times come, when we decide mode is 2. Mode is the number that appears most often in a given list of number. Relation between mean, median and mode. Mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. Otherwise, 3 median is equal to 2 mean plus mode. Summary. Measure definition sensitive to outliers can have multiple values. Mean is equal to average of the all values. Median, middle value in ordered data. Mode is most frequent value. Thank you.